Hello, I am Subhajit Rai from Naroda Institute of Technology in Electrical Engineering Department. Today we discuss about the various type of switches. Please come here. There are various type of switches. This is selector switch. This is push button switch. This is limit switch. This is float switch. And this is the pressure switch. So, first we discuss about selector switch. What is selector switch? Selector switch is a electromechanical device. Okay, it can control or on or off different current circuit by rotating this handle. That means by rotating this handle, we can make or break various type of circuit. Okay, there are some point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the regulator. That means it indicates the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and there are also a 6 terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the handle position is 1 and this is the common point of the switch, and this is a multimeter. We set the multimeter at continuity point. Okay, this is continuity point. Now we connect the common point and the switch 1 position. Okay, connect the common point and 1. You can see the multimeter is produce a noise. That means the current flows to the circuit. Okay, now we change the position at number 4. Now we connect the common point and number 4 terminal, and you can also see the multimeter is whistling or blink the light. That means the current flows in the circuit by 4 terminal. Now we change the position at number 5, and you can also see the multimeter is whistling. That means the current flow through number 5 position. Okay, that is selector switch. This is a push button switch. This contact is NO contact and this contact is NC contact. Okay, now when we connect the NO contact, the multimeter is silent. When we connect the NC contact, the multimeter is whistling. Okay, now we connect the NO contact and the switch is on. Then the NO is converted to NC. Okay, NO is converted to NC, and again we connect the NC contact. The multimeter is blinking, and then when we on the switch, the NC contact is converted to NO contact. Okay, that is push button switch. It is also an electromechanical switch. It consists of an actuator and a roller, and there are 2 points. One is NC contact, NO contact. The upper is NO contact. You can see 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is NO contact, and 1 and 2 is NC contact. Okay, it is used to controlling the machinery, safety interlock, or count object passing to the point. Okay, now we connect first the NC contact. This is NC contact terminal. This is NC contact terminal, and you can see the multimeter is whistling. Okay, and when we move the lever, you can see the NC contact is converted to NO contact, and again we release the lever
the NO is converted to NC. Okay. Now we connect the NO contact first. When we connect the NO contact, the multimeter is stopped. Now we move the lever. You can see the NO is converted to NC and multimeter is whistling. Okay, that is limit switch. Now there are two another switch. One is pressure switch and one is float switch. Float switch is a type of a level sensor. It detects the level of a liquid with the tank. It is used to control a pump as an indicator. Okay, it is used as an indicator. And this switch is called pressure switch. This switch operates on electrical contact when a certain set fluid pressure has been reached on input. When the fluid pressure this point, the switch is operating. Okay. Now this is the all switches. One is selector switch, push switch, limit switch, pressure switch, and the float switch. Okay, that's all. That's all.